Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can do interactive slides in Google Slides and how you might want to set up an activity or a learning game for your kids if you're doing online learning, or even if you're doing in-class learning, you can do it whenever. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I've already kind of started this just to show you a quick example. So this is just like a get to know your teacher activity. And so I'm going to do 3 questions, and I have one question already listed, and then I have the answer on this slide. So how I'm going to link this question to this slide is by highlighting this text that I put in this text box. So I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to double click or right click. Then I'm going to click link, and you're going to link to slides in this presentation, and the answer is on slide 2. So you're going to pick slide 2 and apply. And now when you hover over this or click it, it'll take you to slide 2. And when we actually do the presentation, it'll work that way. So we'll do that at the end. So now I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. So let's go to a text box, and we're going to do a new question. And let's say, how old is Mrs. B? So we're going to do the question, and you can format it however you want. And just remember, in Google Slides, you're limited to the fonts that Google gives you to choose from, but they're not all bad. So just pick what's good for you. Now I have a question. Now I'm going to go put my answer in here. So again, I'm going to insert text box, and then I'm going to put my answer, and then we're going to center it. Actually, I'm going to put the answer over here, and I'm going to restate the question on this sticky note. So let's do white, make it bigger. Okay, and then we're going to do another text box on the sticky. Mrs. B is. And now we're going to go back up to the original, and we're going to click it. We're going to link. Let's highlight the text so we can link it. Let me scroll down so I can see. Highlight the text, link it. We want to link it to slide number 3. And it has the numbers right here if you need just to look real fast. And then let's do one more. Let's say insert text box. How many cats does Mrs. B have? And let's do our answers again. Insert text box. Mrs. B has, and then another text box for the answer. 2 cats. And again, you can do this with any type of activity. I'm just doing a get to know you activity just to demonstrate how to do it for y'all. And then you can go around and play with it. All right, so now let's go and let's link this. Link slides in this presentation. Last slide. Apply. Oh, we forgot to highlight it. Sorry, guys. Link slides in this presentation. Oh, slide 4. Oh no, let's fix that. 4. Apply. All right, so now we have everything linked. So let's actually view the presentation and see what it would look like. Okay, so now when we're on it, if we're not on one of those links, then we just have the regular arrow. But when we have the links now, it'll take us to our answer. And so what you would want to do, y'all see when we keep clicking, it just takes us to the next slide. You're going to want to put a button down here to take you back to the first slide. So the way you can do that is you can just insert an image of a house maybe. To go home, you could insert a shape that says home. You could insert whatever you want to send the students home. So I'm just going to do an image, search from the web. transparent home. And I do transparent home so there's not like a white background. It just actually, let's see. I like this. This goes with the theme pretty well. Let's see how well this shows up. Oh, good. Perfect. All right, and I'm going to put this down in this corner, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it to all three of my slides. Perfect. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to link this. So you do the same thing. You double click or right click it, and you're going to press, oh, we're probably going to have to add a text box. Yes. So we're going to need, you can add a text underneath, insert text box. Alexa, stop. We're going to do home. And we're going to change the font color. And then we're going to just move that up. We're going to copy it. And we're going to paste it underneath all of the houses. And then now we can go, we can link this text to our home slide. So again, you're going to highlight it, right click, link, and we want to link it to slides and presentation. Scroll down, first slide, apply, and we're going to do the same thing for the other two. Link, right click, link, slides in this presentation. First slide, apply, last one. Oh, that's okay. This is just a demonstration. Highlight, link, slides in this presentation. First slide, apply. All right, so now let's view the presentation. All right, so let's go home. Okay, so let's do a question. How old is Mrs. B? We click it, 32 years old, and then we go home, takes us home. What is Miss B's favorite animal? A pig. Home. How many cats does she have? 2. Home. So that home button just lets the kids have a chance to go back without having to go through all the slides and exiting it. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.